So guys, these are the fluted shelves we have here. This is what they look like. I do have another one right here, so we did get two. I do like how they have the little handle underneath. Well, this is where you can hang like towels and things like that. Now, this is what it looks like opened up. It does have a lot of storage space. It's basically like a medicine cabinet. You have the one shelf, two shelf, and then you have the three little cubby spaces right here. These just close real nicely like that. This is what it looks like from the side and the width of it compared to my hand. So it's not, you do have quite a bit of space in there. So just keep that in mind. Here's the width of this one. One thing that I didn't like about this, you are getting quite a bit of storage space. It is all real wood, which is nice. The issue that I didn't like is that the hanging hardware that it came with was very flimsy, so I wouldn't use that. What I used is it's just two screws that go into the drywall. If you can find a stud, even better, but I don't think it shows it up here. But right up in here on the very top, I think we just used like, we went to Lowe's and picked up for $5 just some decent screws that with the anchors that will go in the wall that would hold at least probably 50 pounds or so, and because the ones that came with it were pretty bad. That's the only thing I would recommend, but I do like the way these look. And now with the new anchors in the wall, I could probably hang on this and it's not coming down. So I would recommend this overall if you did get some different hanging hardware. So check this out, guys.